So this is what 3 days of rain looks like. So this is the Swan Lake Trail. Looks a little wet. Boardwalk through the marsh. Oh, nice. This is a pretty nice looking trail too. It's starting to rain again. Again, this is the Swan Lake Trail at Grundy Provincial Park. Just one of many great trails here at the park. So I'm checking out the Swan Lake Trail now. It feels like it's going to snow. It's early September, but the temperature dropped by 10 degrees overnight. But there are some really nice trails in Grundy Lake Provincial Park. And 4 altogether, I think. There's a picnic table. Strange spot for a picnic table, but actually, the road's just over there. So this was originally the trail that I wanted to do, and I asked the park attendant which trail she liked the best. And it was the Gut Lake Trail that she suggested, and we did it this morning. It was beautiful. But the whole park is beautiful. I highly recommend Grundy Lake Provincial Park if you're into the rugged Northern Ontario landscape. This is what you get. Rocks, roots, and moss. The Gut Lake Trail was flatter than this. I definitely think the Gut Lake Trail is nicer than this one. But I walked here from my campsite, so it's convenient. It's telling me to go that way. But I want to check this out. Eh, it doesn't look like it goes anywhere. Oh, not really. It's just a big rock. Okay. The Gut Lake Trail is definitely easier than this one. Swan Lake Trail, Grundy Lake Provincial Park. It's getting dark again. I hope it doesn't rain. I've had a pretty good trip up here, even though it did rain. I pretty much got to every location that I wanted to. French River, Recollet Falls. We hiked the Crack in Killarney. We hiked the Gut Lake Trail here at Grundy Lake Provincial Park. And now I'm hiking the Swan Lake Trail at Grundy Lake Provincial Park. So I've been busy, even though we've gotten basically 3 days of rain ever since we hiked the Crack on Thursday, and it's rained. Oh, sorry, 2 days of rain. We hiked the Crack on Thursday, and it's rained Friday and Saturday. This looks interesting. Every trail here is a great trail. I just love the Northern Ontario landscape. And some people wouldn't even classify this as Northern Ontario yet. It's Ontario's near north. We're just south of Sudbury. To me, it's Northern Ontario. To anybody living in Toronto, it's Northern Ontario. To people in Thunder Bay, it might not be classified as Northern Ontario, but what a great province we live in. I just love my province.